Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Power BI for AI Insights automation step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the Power BI website URL. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Once the Power BI homepage loads, look for the Sign In button. Click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email address associated with your Power BI account. Click on the Next button to proceed. Now, you will be asked to enter your password. Type your password into the designated field. If your organization uses multi-factor authentication, follow the prompts to complete this step. Once authenticated, you will be directed to your Power BI dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To access AI Insights, look for the Get Insights option in the navigation menu. Click on Get Insights to explore the automated insights available to you. You can select datasets to analyze for AI-driven insights. Choose the dataset you wish to work with. After selecting your dataset, click on the Analyze button. Power BI will begin processing your request for AI-generated insights. Once the processing is complete, review the insights presented on the screen. You can further customize your analysis using filters and visualizations as needed. Finally, save any relevant reports or insights for future reference. This completes the login and initial setup process for accessing AI Insights automation in Power BI. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.